What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are all doing great out there today. And today I want to jump right into the price of drip, why it's going down, and why I'm not fearful about this at all. And I know you guys, being online, you probably have seen it just like I have. The naysayers of drip are celebrating this, saying, oh, see, we told you drip is dropping. It's going down. It's sinking like a rock. You guys don't know what you're doing. You're in a stupid protocol that doesn't make money. Okay, we've heard it all before. It's the drip naysayers out there. So I'm seeing a lot of that today. Again, I check, I go through the Twitter, check the feeds on that, and I see all the negative news every single time something bad happens with drip. But every time something good happens with drip, they come out and say the opposite. They don't say anything, or they say, oh, it's temporary and it's going back down to zero. Okay. The typical news feed on that. So I want to talk today about why I think drip is dropping down a little bit lower right now, where I see drip going for the future, and what I see happening. One thing real quick before I jump into that. First off, I got a new team member. Thank you for joining the team. I look forward to doing the payout tomorrow. I'll be paying out my team. One lucky member will get 10% of my weekly drip. And I actually just bought some drip this morning just so I had some extra balance on hand just to pay that, because I don't want to do any more claims right now. I want to just hydrate at this point with the market being down. So I want to just keep hydrating. So I bought some. I'm going to do my payout to one lucky member tomorrow. And also the other thing I want to thank you guys for is getting this channel up over 300 subscribers. We're a small channel right now. We keep growing. I thank you guys for coming on board and following this journey while I'm teaching about how to make a passive income online. And I'm happy you guys are on this little journey with me, and it means a lot to me. So thank you guys for doing that. Now, that being said, enough celebrating. Let's get back into what I see going on. So drip right now is at $6.14 on CoinGecko. And also, if we go over here, we look at the price of drip from the swap from the fountain itself, we can see that the drip price right now is $6.23. Whoops, and we'll go down so you can see it on here too. So $6.25 on here. So it's, it always varies between the different networks, and that's okay. We're going to use this price. So it's about $6.23, $6.25 right now, right in there. And, again, that's down. Let's take a look at this. That is down for the 7-day average here. Let's see, 7-day, we're at 647. And now we are, again, 615 using the CoinGecko price, or 614 using CoinGecko's price. Now, two reasons why that's happening. One, I believe drip is one of the few things still paying out on a regular basis to people during this bear market. The economy's been crap, the world has been crap, and you see a lot of people who are just wanting to claim some money. Hey, I'm not going to fault anyone who needs to claim and pay bills and do things like that. So you got to have that money. So drip is good for that. You can't just hydrate 100% of the time. There are times where you make some claims. Whenever you do that, it's totally up to you. So people are pulling out some money. They're paying their bills, whatever they're doing, buying Lambos, whatever you do, whatever you're going to do with your own money is up to you. But they're making those claims on right now and using money for that. And the other thing, and obviously probably the biggest thing going on right now, is on the 18th of this month, we're going to get the Animal Farm relaunch. And I think people are pulling money on the side for that, because you're going to see a bunch of people jump into the LP and get into the pools and get involved in that network on a larger scale, and before they start funneling money back into the drip faucet. Because as you know, prior to all this, Forex has mentioned several times in the past that once Animal Farm is launched, he's going to cycle back to everything benefiting drip. And we got the scratch tickets coming up sometime, which no one knows exactly when that's going to happen yet. All that's coming, plus this whole ecosystem's being built before, and I think all that will happen before you start seeing money come back and funnel back into drip in a big way. And I know I've seen people who talk about a $50, $100, you know, all the way back to all-time highs over $170 drip coming. And, you know, as much as I am super bullish on drip, I don't see the all-time highs happening anytime soon. And I've mentioned this before, but right now our market cap for the entire crypto market right now is barely over $1 trillion. The last time drip was over in that all-time high, or even, let's just say even over $100, okay? Let's go back and look here. The last time drip was over $100 was what, February 23rd, okay? So it was in February 23rd. Let's look at the whole market cap on February 23rd and see where we're at. So let's see, February 23rd right there. We're at 1.77 trillion, okay? That's all, not quite double, but almost there from where we're at right now. And you know, it's a lot of money that's not in the market right now. And even just a small portion of that going to drip can greatly grow drip, but you've got to see that money come back into the market. And I think we need to have a bull cycle before we start seeing those all-time highs again. Hey, look, I could be totally wrong. I'll accept that. I don't mind. I don't mind if you argue with me and you think that it's going to happen next month. If I'm wrong, that's awesome. I'd love to be wrong on that. I just think we need that bull market to get all the extra money coming back into here. Now, granted, drip has been one of the great safe havens during the bear market, so there is money in this system, and there will be money coming back into the system. I do think in November and December, you'll start seeing some more money roll back into the system once Animal Farm is up and going. But I don't think we're going to get to all-time highs. I think we might see a $15, $20 drip, somewhere around in there. Again, I'm willing to be wrong on that as well. I'll take $10 drip at this point, you know, with the market being the way it is. So while we are in the bear market, I don't see those super giant leaps coming back. But again, I'm willing to accept my wrongness there. I could be totally wrong, and I would be more than happy to see all-time highs come back to drip, but I just don't think we're there. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to drop a quick video today, talk about the price. I'm not nervous about drip at all. I love this network. I really enjoy the people in it, and most of the people who are in drip are extremely positive. So thank you guys. Drip community is a great community. And you guys, make sure you give me a like, subscribe if you enjoy the content, and always leave a comment below. Let me know where you think we're going to be. Let's say in November. Where do you think the price of drip's going to go? Where do you think we'll be in November or December? You know, let me know. Or when do you think we're going to get back to those all-time highs? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, have a great day. I will see you in the next video.